Guys, it's Ali with you. So guys, today is raining like hell. I'm gonna show you what happened. It's really cool. I'm gonna show you. Look at all of this. Look at all of this, guys. It's raining. Look at all of this. This looks so small, but inside, if you go inside, for me, like legitimately for me, it's like all the way to right there. Right there to me, guys. And I'm 5'3", 5.3 feet. That's pretty long, guys. That is so long. For a kid, I don't know if he drowns. Yeah, I'm being honest. I don't know if he drowns. I don't know if he's gonna drown or what, but guys, it's really small because it's raining. I can't do nothing. I just got inside house, so hope tomorrow be a sunny day. Look how big is it? Excuse me. I gotta do that. Oh. So guys, if you enjoy this, leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe. So, peace out. Peace out.